Oh, shoot.
Yeah.
I just got out. Okay. Quizzes. Let's see here. We're going to be up till like 11 p.m. trying to get all these, I guess, whatever time it is for you guys, but it's 8.
Yeah.
Is it the same time for you
9:50.
there? Is it 9:53 there? Oh, yeah. Okay. All right.
Oh, hi. Your work, it's working.
Yeah, my computer, my husband's computer, it doesn't work, but my computer popped on all of a sudden, and so I was like, oh, good. So it's probably good, but I'll go back to Nate's. But
I'm gonna text Jill and tell her we're still going if she's.
I have a problem for her. Okay, the test statistic for a hypothesis test comparing two means with independent samples is the t-score.
Right.
Okay,
I got all the way through number 5, so
and you
I'm
got
glad I didn't miss
two,
it.
right? For 3?
Yeah.
Okay, number 5. Two samples are independent if knowing which subjects will be in group 1 determines which subjects no. Tells you nothing. It's the second one, right?
Right.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right, please just problems be like that on the test. All right.
I know.
Next question.
That's too easy.
Okay, dentist office bills. I can try to share my screen. I've never done it before, but I don't, my computer hopefully not freeze on me. So
yeah, I don't know what happened. That was weird. But it seems to be fine now.
Are you sharing your screen right now?
Well, no, I had tried to, and it like froze my screen. So.
Oh, let me try.
But then it like just stopped. Everything like turned off and then like popped back up, and it seemed to be working fine.
Do I press the green button, right? Screen share? Is that right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Pressing it. Here with you, Jackie. Wait, what do I do? Entire screen? Your entire screen. And just press share?
Yeah. Yep.
Pressed it. There. Is that sharing the screen? Do you see what I see?
I just see me.
Okay. Oops, wrong thing. Do you see this now?
Yeah, no, I do.
Okay. All right. Let's see. Dentist office bills. This data represents a simple random sample of okay.
So this is where we have to go in and do the analyze, and this is where I got a little confused.
Okay, the homework, the last few problems, I was just not getting it right. I mean, it could have been that it was like 11 o'clock at night and it was just frustrating, or it could have just been that I didn't know how to do it.
Yeah, I've done the preparation, but I have not gotten to the homework on this one yet. So I'm a little scared because this week. So
That's true.
Okay.
Okay, the degrees of freedom. Oh, so okay, if it's like this, so we have to do the first step, right? Okay, I wrote this all down. Okay, so first we have to do the recode thing, right? So did you get that?
So you go to compare
automatic recode, right?
Oh yeah, transform.
And we want to recode the city, right?
Yeah.
And then
what are we
there? A new name. I just call it city code, like they told you, right?
Yeah.
Okay, add new name. And then press OK. All right, okay. So that's there. Can you see this, Jackie?
Yep. Thank you.
Yeah. Okay. And then we'll analyze. Okay, so now wait, what are we trying to find again?
Let's see. Oh my gosh.
Oh, that presentation. That's for what class?
That is for health administration.
Wait, I'm taking that like next semester or something. Is it really that hard? I was hoping my English class was the hardest one.
It's easy, but you have one presentation the whole semester. And hers has been going for 2 hours. Mine only lasted like 45 minutes. My group did.
Uh-oh. My computer's getting taken over. No, Jeff, not. Uh-oh. Not Jeff, not now, Jeff, not now. I'm doing my homework.
Uh-oh. Someone's taking over your computer? Is that what you said?
Yeah.
Like someone you know?
Yeah, my uncle.
Oh, shoot.
It's my computer, so he gets on it and fixes it for me because I am desperate without him.
I need someone like that.
It is amazing, actually. Wonderful. Okay.
Okay, so once we've recoded, we have to analyze, and then do we just do like the compare
Wait,
means?
did I not save any of this? Oh my gosh, what is wrong with me? Okay, save. Okay, problem 4 is the t-score. Oh my goodness. My computer, maybe it just keeps crashing because I'm on Chrome, and so Chrome is really hard on this computer.
Oh yeah.
It tells
5
you,
is 2. Number 2.
wait, it tells you, Jeff. Jeff, no, Jeff, no. Wait, stop. Come back here. Wait. No, note. No, no, I'm not ready.
I just want to know what happened to the TA.
Right? That's yeah. That's so weird.
She just disappeared.
Sounds like it. So do you know how to do this, Jackie? Is it compare means and then independent sample t-test?
For which one? Let me.
Just to start on like number 6.
Yeah, compare means.
And then independent sample, right?
t-test.
Yeah, because we're doing a sample test. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Yeah.
So are we pulling the city code over into the variable?
So we are analyzing, yeah, descriptive comparing means. Here, let me go. We're doing independent sample t-test.
Right.
We're pulling over, yeah, because we're comparing the city code. No, the city goes into the test variable because that's what we want to split up. Oh, just joking. It says it's not allowed.
It won't. Yeah, it won't let us.
Oh, the test. Let's see. Move the test. Oh, the dentist bill. The number.
That's what we want.
That, yeah, the test variables box goes into the data. Okay, so that's the data. And then the grouping variable is the code box.
Okay.
Code. Okay, there we go. And then
Oh, okay.
options. Okay, and it was 95, right?
Let me just let me double check. Doesn't say.
And then we define the groups as 1 and 2.
Hold on.
Yep.
So you left it at 95?
I did, but it doesn't say that. Let's just assume, right?
Yeah, that's
Yeah.
pretty.
Because does
So
it say the 0.05 is the level of whatever you call it?
no, it says 0.10.
Oh, 0.10? Oh,
So
that
that's
is
90, right?
Is it 99? Oh, maybe we need to change it. Yeah, maybe it's 99.
Yep, it is 99.
Is that 99? Oh, okay.
Yeah.
We're checking that.
Okay, so options 99. And then we're going to define groups, you said?
Yeah. Yeah, define groups and then 1 and 2.
So what do we define group number 1 as? Is that the
What?
X, like X1?
No, just put 1.
Oh, just 1? And then 2?
Yeah, it'll
Okay.
define it.
Yeah, and then it just defines it as that because then it matches it.
Okay.
Okay.
All right.
So then we values for everything. So now what is it asking for?
So we need the degrees of freedom first.
You know what? I'm just going to write everything down so I don't have to click back and forth 700 times. Okay. Degrees
So
of
how do we
freedom
know?
equal 7.996. What?
So we're going on the second column,
Yeah.
right?
So everything in this class, they said, is always going to be the not assumed step.
Right. Okay. So 37.996.
4, 3, 4.
Sample standard deviation.
Sigma equals
Where is that?
6. Standard deviation is 208. Wait, which one? For Idaho or for?
Oh, question number 7, Rexburg. So
For Rexburg?
206.637.
0.637.
Okay.
Yeah, okay. Let's see. I didn't get that far yet. I didn't enter anything.
Oh,
just
sorry.
writing anything down. No, you're good. So 6, what is the degrees of freedom? 37.996.
96.
Yeah.
37.996. Okay. What is the sample standard deviation for Rexburg? Yeah, 206. Was that, I think I read it right? You read that too,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
6, 7,
0.206 or just 206?
206. Point.
0.637.
Yeah. The test statistic is negative 0.434.
Right.
Oops.
P-value. So the p-value is 0.666.
Is this a double-sided or is this a one-sided?
That's what I was just.
One-sided.
Is it one-sided? Let's see.
Yeah.
Oh, it is
It has an
one-sided.
arrow.
Yep.
So then 0.666 divided by 2.
0.333. That would make sense.
No, I'm getting a calculator. Okay, I got that too. They're dependent on the calculator.
Right. Okay. So that's higher than the p-value. So we're going to
Fail to reject the null
right.
because we have insufficient evidence that the distance between, what are we saying? If insufficient evidence to say that M is smaller than M2, to say that the Idaho Falls is smaller than Rexburg, we have insufficient evidence. Oh,
Well, let's see. We have insufficient evidence that the mean dentist bills between the two cities are different
we have
or that they're the same.
We have insufficient evidence to say that they're different. Correct, because the null could be right,
Yeah.
right? Because we didn't reject the null, so we don't have any proof to say that they're going to be different. Is
Right. Okay.
that right? Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Wait a
I think
second.
if I
Wait
come
a
out of,
second. Look at that. They said put it together. Oh, okay. Wait. So then do we have to double test then when we look at that?
Oh,
Whoa.
right. Suppose instead that you had used the alternative
Well,
hypothesis.
either way, it's bigger. Either way,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
Yeah,
It is.
okay.
Yeah. Because I would make it 0.666. It'd still be bigger.
Yeah. Okay. Sufficient evidence to say that. Okay.
Okay. So freshman.
Next question is this one.
Let's see.
So transform, recode. We need to recode the state. We need to call it state code. Add new name. Okay.
All right.
And then they need to know.
Analyze.
Okay. Wait. We didn't write the null hypothesis is this, but what's the other one? What's the alternative? You suspect that the freshmen cook dinner for themselves a different number of times than the freshmen. Oh, so we're just looking for different. Cool.
Yeah,
That's easy.
it's going to be a double tail. So our test variable is the freshman. And then the grouping variable is the state code. Is that right?
Let me go
Or is it
back.
opposite?
Are you talking about for recoding it?
Yeah. Yeah. Like after you record it and then you go to the analyze.
Yeah. So you're analyzing it. Oh, sorry. Analyze. Are we looking for a mean again? Are we looking for intervals?
Mean.
Oh, sorry.
Well, let's see.
Okay.
Well, it wants to know what whoops, I missed this question.
Wait.
Oh, okay.
So
we need the
so
test
looking.
statistic.
Are we dentist office? No.
No, we're doing the
Freshman.
freshman
Okay.
dinner.
So let's see, what did I write? I'm just going to read it again to myself just because. Move the variables that contain the data values into the test variables box. So the freshman goes in the test variables box.
and then state code
Right.
is everything
And
variable,
then
right?
move code into the grouping box.
Right.
And then what?
And we're doing a 0.05.
Oh, so
So we should be good at 95%.
okay, and then define the groups as 1 and 2. There's like 7,000 steps for this homework. I'm glad that the end of the year isn't going to be comprehensive, or that the end of the term, because I would not remember all of these steps.
No.
I don't know how people did statistics before this. Oh,
I think like I know that's true. This class would be hard unless you really loved it and understood the concept. Then I feel like it would come easier. But since I don't like adore it, I'm not like great at
Yeah, just trying to get through.
getting the concept.
Okay, so the test statistic 0.845, negative 0.845.
Uh-huh.
Okay. And then the p-value is 0.410, right?
Yeah. And do we divide it? No, we don't.
No.
And then, is there any other questions? Is it just those two?
Yeah.
it's just
And then I want to know what decision, 0.410. So it's higher.
Hold on. This
so we
them
failed to reject.
is negative 0.845, right?
Yeah.
And then it's the P that's the 0.40.
If I come out of one thing from this class, it'll be if P is low, reject the null. That's the only thing I learned.
So on this one, we're going to fail to reject the null, right?
Yeah.
All right.
Okay, hold on. Sorry, I had to text my uncle. Okay, P value 0.410. Okay, what decision did you make? We failed to reject the null, right?
Yep.
Right.
Okay. Determine a 95% confidence interval. An estimate.
So she gave us the formula on that thing, like the lower or the upper minus the lower divided by 2. I don't remember ever seeing that anywhere else.
I wrote that somewhere in here. But I thought it was more just.
teacher.
I mean, the
Is it
margin
the
of
lower?
error.
So I get confused with the margin of error. Can you just explain it to me?
Remember when we were like this, the point estimate, so like 7, and then the margin of error, is it going to be off by 0.2 or is it going to be off by 3? So the interval will be like, so it's either plus 0.3 or minus 0.3. And that will be your highest and your lowest. That's what it was saying.
Okay.
But I think in her thing, she said you would take the lower minus the upper and then you divide it by 2.
Yeah, she did say that. And that's why
I think that worked because,
didn't get it right.
yeah.
I'm like, well, no wonder we were like plugging in all these annoying numbers.
I know.
Okay, determine. Okay, so
then this one you would take.
So did you already find your thing about this? Oh, wait, we already have this. So the lower.
The lower is the negative 5.137.
Yeah, negative 5.13734 minus. No, the lower minus the upper, or the upper minus the lower?
I have low minus high divided by 2.
Okay.
Is that right?
It doesn't really make sense.
I think that's right.
You're probably right.
I got negative 3.67. That group, that message, though. No, I can't. Never mind.
You got what?
I said I could bring it up, but I don't think I can because I'm in the quiz.
I got negative 3.671.
Oh, that's what I got. I just didn't round the last one.
Okay. Let's see. Wait, hold on. I'm going to just test it. I'm going to see if it works. You guys got what? Negative? Okay. I'm going to put in my mean 16.667. What did you say it is?
Negative
3.671.
Minus 671. Weird. Okay, didn't get it, but whatever. Okay, so the thing, sorry. I was trying to try to make that make sense, because then it's like, shouldn't you be able to put the mean and then get that confidence interval with it? But I didn't, so. Okay, never mind.
Huh. Let me look at something here. I'm just going to look really quick at what she said, just to make sure I have it right, because I'll pull it up really quick.
And one is Colorado.
So, I lied. Oh my gosh, did I write that? I totally wrote that down wrong. Okay, she said margin of error is upper minus lower divided by 2.
Oh, that makes a bit more sense, but
So
still.
I'm glad I looked.
Upper 2.204 minus the lower, so really like plus, because minus -5, but it's okay.
2.20401 minus negative.
That makes sense. Then that works. Because then if we double check it over here, it's 7.34135. Okay, let's try this here.
Wait, is that the same answer that we got?
No.
Positive 3.671.
I got 7.3413.
But did you
That's the
divide it by
same
2?
I got. It's the same one I got. It's probably because it's a negative.
Divided by 2.
No, but you have to divide it by 2 according to what she said in the message.
Oh.
You subtract them and then you divide it by 2.
3.67.
I got the same answer.
Yeah, it is the same answer. It's just a positive and not a negative.
3.671.
Yeah.
So upper minus lower. I'm gonna write that down. Divided by 2. Right. Okay. Input the lower bound. -5.137. Okay. Input the upper bound. 2.204.
Yeah.
Yep.
Oops.
So I submitted it and we got 100%. So I think as long
Oh
as
my gosh, you were awesome. Thank you, Christy, for knowing that margin of error stuff.
Yeah, thanks.
Cool.
one thing.
That is so much easier than the book was explaining it.
That's what I said. I'm like, she put that in the discussion that you asked her about on the collaboration thing.
Yeah. When I was like,
I don't remember reading
Yeah.
that anywhere. That was too easy. Why didn't we have that in the book or in the video or something?
well, and I've been finding that, how do I stop sharing? Do I just press this button?
Yeah,
Stop
it
sharing.
should
There we go.
stop.
There we go. And I've been finding, like, I feel like SPS taught in the beginning, and now it's not taught. I feel like we have to sit and figure things out. I mean, I know the book is, but the videos used to teach, and now I have to use the book. You know, I know that sounds lazy, but I just liked it when he was like, push this, push this, push this. You know, I was like, okay.
What bothers me the most is they're like, this isn't an independent study, but I feel like it's an independent study. Like, I feel like they just push us out here and they're like, here's a book, read it.
The book. I love the movies, but the book, it stresses me because the problems are just so like, I don't know. I don't feel like they're worded unconfusingly. They're worded like the test. I did. Yeah, I did the homework for it, except for the last few problems. And she said I should have been getting the right answers. So, but I did the homework. Let me see. What? I didn't do the quiz yet. No. Did you already do the quiz then for it?
No, I've been trying to get the quiz. I didn't do terrible, but I did get 0 for the study in the first section, and it worked fine. I got it right, but then it's the same thing on the second section, and it marked it wrong. So I don't know what I'm doing
I can go
wrong.
back to it later. I can, can't I? Let me look at it.
Yeah, you can pull it up.
Okay, I'll pull it up. And
What was the answer for number 7? I got that one wrong.
Oh, shoot.
What's the question?
What is the sample standard deviation for Rexburg?
206.37.
Yeah, 637.
206?
Yeah, 0.637. Yep.
Okay, I just had 0.637. So 206.637.
Yeah. Okay, I'm looking at this. What problem are you saying is hard? What problem?
Let's see. You're looking at the quiz?
Yeah.
Okay, hold on. Let me...
Because I really.
So it's the second section. It's the second section where you have to pull up the data for
what problem?
the NBA salaries. Number 11.
Wow, you're so awesome to get so ahead.
Oh my gosh.
The direct.
I try to get one.
That one?
The NBA salaries one? Is that the one you're looking at?
Uh-oh, I'm on homework.
Are you looking at the quiz or the homework?
I'm looking at the homework quiz.
Oh, yeah, that's what I'm looking at. Is that number 11?
My number 11.
For lesson 12?
Oh, I'm on lesson 13. Why am I on lesson 13?
I don't know. Yeah, no, I haven't started that one yet. Not that far ahead.
Wait, didn't we just do the group meeting for it?
Yeah.
Oh, I get it. Okay, that makes more sense. Was that one not due Saturday? Oh.
Yeah, it's due Saturday. I was just trying to get lesson 12 done before I started on lesson 13. But.
Nice, because it's not due till the 20th. I thought everything was due like the next day. Let me see if I can look at it.
No, the quizzes aren't. The homework is, but not the quiz.
I can't even look
but
at it.
But I like to try to get the quiz done before I move to the next chapter.
Yeah,
If I can.
I can't even look at it because I already did it. But what is the question then?
Do you know how to look at your answers?
No.
Okay, go to your quiz.
Okay.
And then go to, it says, hold on. Let me pull it up really quick. There's like a little arrow next to it, like where it says lesson 12 group, whatever. If you click on that and go to your submissions.
Oh, okay.
And then click on your.
Okay, I'll do attempt number 2. Because that's when I got 100%.
Yeah.
Not attempt number 1. Okay, what problem?
Okay, so number 11.
Here we go. Okay.
Is where I lost something.
Let's see. The mean salary of MBA was at $3 million. You were interested to know if this mean salary of MBA increased by this to this. A random sample of 90 was played. I just said it's a t-test because they didn't talk at all about a sigma test.
Yeah, that's right. That's right.
You mean like why is it not a paired test?
Sorry, let me. Yeah.
On 11.
I got the degrees of freedom right. It's the p-value. I put 0 because that's what it showed, I swear.
I got 0.045 for the p-value.
0.045?
Yeah. My degrees of freedom was 89. Is that right?
Yeah, I got that. Yeah.
And the test statistic is 1.722.
Let me pull up my so you went to the salaries. I'm just going to pull up the actual thing really quick so I can make sure I loaded it right.
Okay.
Okay. So you went to analyze, you went to compare means. One sample, or is it the, one sample t-test.
Hi, guys.
Yeah.
Hi.
Your class seems miserable. I don't want it.
And guess what? We finally recorded it and the lady didn't push the right button.
Oh my gosh. Yeah, that would drive me, that would not be okay.
Yeah. So
I was telling them I took the class, it was only like 45 minutes at the most. Like, you spent 2 hours.
That your presentation could be only 45 minutes?
No, we spent 45 minutes putting it together.
Oh. Well,
like,
we have a lot of like type A people in our group, and so like it's kind of lucky. Like
those people.
In my religion course last semester, no kidding, one of the ladies that was in my group project, she said on the discussion board when we were all meeting, she's like, I don't do well in group projects. I don't like to do them, and I'm gonna be hard to work with. I was like, so I had a negative view on her the whole semester. Because of what she said there.
That's a weird way to introduce yourself. Hello, I hate
Yeah.
So, Starly, on this one, how did you pull up the data? Because I'm not getting that.
Okay, let me
I'm
do
not
it.
getting the right.
Okay, let
Sorry,
me pull
thank
up,
you.
let me redo MBA. Oh, I don't even. I'll do a data.
Oh, it might not let you do it, huh?
Well, I know that I can get data from my data. I have a saved data tab, so I'll just do it from that. MBA is what I'm looking for.
Yeah. I'm wondering, do I need to put a test value in there?
What is it called again? Rates of flight?
Salary.
MBA. Oh, N. I was looking for M. I feel stupid. Okay. I was like,
Have you done this quiz yet, Jill? Number 12.
Oh, yeah. Are you guys talking about that right now?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm like, I can't figure out. Yeah.
Okay. So what did you, okay, first one second, I have to recode it really quick so that way I can get
What number are you working on?
Oh, we're working on the quiz 12, the home.
I know. Which number?
11, 12 or something like that?
11, 12, 13, just that whole section.
Okay.
Which one did you recode? Did you recode?
Oh, but you don't have to recode that because that's chapter 13, right? I don't think we're there yet.
Yeah,
Sorry.
we weren't. We
Okay,
weren't.
it isn't there. Okay, just analyzing it. Is that all we're doing?
So on 11, I got the one sample t-test. Is that
Right.
what you guys got?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, and then on 12, I missed 12.
Oh, darn it. Just
Okay.
Just
So this is where I'm confused. I'm like, how do we get, what am I missing? Because I got it wrong too, and I can't figure out.
What did you put? What did you get for it?
my go. Oh man, it just lagged.
Do you remember? Do you have that?
Well, I do. Hold on.
I have it. I'll tell you what I put because somehow I got 100%.
You
No.
did?
Yeah. I don't know how. It's because Heavenly Father is helping me. That's why I'm dying. And I'm like, just help me. Just help me. Okay.
So I put originally
Few submissions.
9.69.
That's what I put.
And I put my p-value is 0. So I'm like, I'm missing something. The way that I loaded it.
How to get the dang p-value.
Okay, for what? Okay.
I don't either.
So number 12.
12. Okay. A 1.722. But is a test statistic? Okay. Assume.
But I'm not, that's like not what I'm getting when I analyze.
Okay, 3 million. You're interested to know. Okay, I'm just have to look at that just so I can know what the question is.
I'm just wondering, are you supposed to put a test value in for this one?
I don't know. Let me. Are we just doing a T-score? Is that all we're doing?
That's what I
That's
thought
what-
we were doing,
Okay.
Yeah.
but I missed it. So
Or are we doing a? Oh no. Test.
Well, because then it says calculate the test statistic degrees of freedom and p-value for the test of
Okay.
the null hypothesis equal to 3 million.
or
Alternative is greater than 3 million. So I don't know if that changed something.
One sample T-test, and is it on the salary? Yeah, it's the salary, right?
yep.
Yeah.
Test value. Yeah, the test. Sorry. Yeah, the test value is 3 million. You put your null